Hello, this is ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Today is the 7th of August 2014. We're going to look at the CFDs GOLD, SPX500, US30, GER30, USOil and the USDollar Index. On the daily chart with the Elliott Wave Analysis, before we start, please go through the disclaimer, stop at read your own leisure, as well as the hypothetical performance. Okay, fine. So let's go to the charts. Right. So here we are. We're on gold. This is the daily chart. We're taking it from the higher degree. We've got our larger wave degree patterns of the wave 1 at the low of 31st of December. That's the primary, and the high of wave 2 on 17th of March 2014. So now we're looking for the push down of the wave 3. Breaking that structure down, we got a 1, 2 of the intermediate lower degrees as we're going down. Then we move down into the minor 1, 2 in a wave 3, and we break that down. We go into the minute degree, and that is so breaking that down further, we can see the minute degree. There's the 1, there's the 2. We're also in a wave 3, and we're in a wave 3 right now for the minute degree, and we're looking now following the actual pattern of the minute. That's black Roman numbers, and in brackets there's a 1. We've just entered in a trade just now at 1307.56. That was done yesterday's high, taking us just above the 78.6 level. As you can see, today's candle is looking like very much a doji kind of formation, and we projected our targets. We put our targets. Yep, we put our targets in. As you can see, we're taking the targets at the 78.6 level and 100% level. We put another entry here at 12786, and that's another target where we can launch down from at the low here, expecting the breakdown following. Stop level is 1331.44, and if we measure it from our current entry, what do we see? We're seeing it's at 2387. So that's where we're looking in terms of the price projections. Let's look at the alternative count for gold, and if you remember, we're looking for a triangular formation, and if I can show to you, there's a 0, there's A, there's B, there's C, there's D, and E is there. We put a trade in. That's our trade, which is from the previous for it to come down, previous main count. Should really switch that off to avoid confusion, but in reality on the main count we're looking, on the alternative count, we're looking for the price to come all the way up here and then come screaming down there. So if I were going to take a trade on the alternative count, I'd wait for the price to penetrate up to that particular point, and then we can start shortening it all the way down. Okay, that's gold. Now let's move to the SPX500, one of my favorite kind of instruments, following the S&P 500, and been looking quite bullish for a while now. And what we've got the actual daily chart right once again, and we're in the 5th wave. There's wave 4 of the primary, and breaking that structure down, you've got a 1, 2, we're in a wave 3. And if we break that down, we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4 off a minor. We're in a wave 3, 1, 2, 3 off an intermediate, that's green in brackets, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, a wave 5, just finishing a wave 4 off a minor degree. So we've taken an entry at 1969.6, stop level 1885, and that's giving us about 83 points. Target levels are set at 2063, so that's a nice target level to come out of, and that will conclude the wave 3 of the intermediate, and then we'll look for the push down and then take it back up again. Okay, now let's move to the US30, another interesting trade that we like to follow. That's the Dow 30, and we'd been anticipating a ending diagonal previously, and we're looking at the wave 5 position of the larger wave degree, which is the primary, and then its subwave structure is the intermediate. That's green in brackets, and that's also in a wave 5 position. The structure of an ending diagonal is an ABC pattern, and then we can say there's the A, the B has come down here, if you can see. Yeah, B has come down there, and then C is going to be at the top. You can see the 2 to 4 support line has been tested and broken. Is price going to go back up? I put an entry there anyhow at 16659, stop level 16117. Expectations price to go up above this level to complete, because the wave 3 of the larger wave degree, which is a cycle, has still yet to complete. So we're expecting price to come up. A lot of things happen around this area. Price didn't test that. Is price going to be able to push up? Let's just see. Okay, fine, let's go to the alternative count now. Our alternative count is basically going in a wave 5 position of the primary degree, and everything else is exactly the same. Only thing is that when we got the minor after the intermediate is green in brackets, as you can see there, and minor is pink, which is the subordinate. Then we move into the minute, which is a 1, 2, and also in a wave 3. You can see the wave 2 has come down, and it's hit the necessary ratio to give me the necessary confidence that this trade is a long side. So that's what we're looking on that side. Now let's move to the German 30. That's the German DAX 30, and larger wave degree pattern, as you can see. If we move it, excuse me, larger wave degree pattern, as you can see. We'll move it to the weekly. You can see we're in a C position, C wave position of the cycle degree, that's black. And then we're in a 1, 2, 3 position of an intermediate of primary, that's in red and in circles. And then we take a 1, 2, 3 position of intermediate, and a 1, 2, 3 position of a minor degree, and a 1, 2, 3 position of a minute degree. Minute degree is blue and Roman numerals and in bracket and in circle. Excuse me. So you can see the wave 1, wave 2 has come down, not past the 50%, but hey, are we in the trade? We're not in any trade right now. We're looking for price to push up to put us into an entry. Okay, fine, let's move now to the US oil. US oil. Where do we stand with the US oil? Have to crunch things up a little bit back and forth. Sorry for that, traders. I'll take it to the weekly chart. Weekly chart, there you can see there's the wave 1 of the primary degree, red in circles, wave 2. The larger wave degree pattern is a wave 3, there's the 1, there's the 2, we're in the wave 3 of the cycle degree, that's in black and in Roman numbers. Then we go to the primary, which is in red and in circles. Moving down, we take the intermediate, that's green and in brackets, there's the 1, 2, and we're in the wave 3 right now. So I'll take it down now to the daily chart, and then you can have a follow through, and then you can follow with me as I'm saying it. There's the wave 3 pattern, and then we break that structure down. There's the 1 of the minor, pink, and the wave 2 coming down here. I put an entry at the 61.8 level at 97.48, taken another entry which hasn't yet triggered off at 94.78, and we're now waiting for the push up of the wave 3 of the minor degree. Target levels is 107.50, 110.96. And now let's move to the US dollar index. We've taken an entry at 10540, sorry, and stop level 10365, and currently in the profit of 13 pips, and that's going to give us, yep, we're in a 5k lot on this particular thing. We're looking for the wave 3. As you can see, there's the wave 2 of the primary degree. Not coming down as far as enough in terms of the ratios, but we're going to still assume that's the wave 3 going up. Looking at the SSD, that's poised to come down. That's in the overbought area. But anyhow, let's just rock with this. Okay, so I'm ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Thank you.